Have you ever wondered why some couples conceive quickly while others struggle for months or even years? Or why doctors say age 35 matters so much for fertility? Does diet, stress, or lifestyle really affect your chances of getting pregnant? Today, we are breaking down the science of fertility and conception. Hi, I'm Tanya, a nutritionist with Masters in Food and Nutrition. For the past 5 years, I've helped clients manage hormones, diabetes, and heart health using practical and science based nutrition. If you would like to connect with me or book a personal consultation, my Instagram link is in the description below. In this video, I will walk you through how fertility actually works, the real fertile window most people misunderstand, lifestyle nutrition factors that influence fertility, common causes of fertility, when to seek medical help, and what treatment like IUI and IVF actually involve. If you're planning pregnancy or trying to conceive, or simply want to understand your reproductive health better, then watch this video till the end. Let's start with the basics. Why fertility knowledge matters. Fertility is something many people assume will happen naturally when the time is right. But medically, fertility is a complex interaction between hormones, reproductive organs, timing, and overall health. According to reproductive medicine research and guidance, 10 to 15% of couples experience infertility at some point. And infertility is not only a female issue. In fact, one third of fertility cases involve female factors, one third involve male factors, and the remaining cases involve both partners or unexplained causes. Understanding fertility early can help couples plan pregnancy more effectively, recognize the potential problems earlier, make informed lifestyle decisions. As a nutritionist, I also want to highlight that nutrition, weight, metabolic health, and lifestyle habits play a meaningful role in reproductive health. So, let's start with the most important concept in fertility, how pregnancy actually happens. Pregnancy begins when a sperm fertilizes an egg, and for that to happen, several steps must occur perfectly. First, the ovary releases the mature egg during ovulation. The egg travels into the fallopian tube where fertilization can occur. If sperms are present in the reproductive tract during this time, one of the sperms may fertilize the egg. The fertilized egg then travels to the uterus where it implants in the uterine lining only after successful implantation. Thus, pregnancy truly begins. You might think this process happens easily every cycle, but biologically, the chance of pregnancy in a single cycle for a healthy couple is only about 20 to 25%. This is why even healthy couples may take several months to conceive. Timing is one of the most critical factors, and that brings us to the concept of the fertile window, female reproductive cycle, and the fertile window. Let's simplify the menstrual cycle. Most cycles average 28 days, but normal cycles range from 21 to 35 days. Ovulation usually occurs about 14 days before the next period begins. But the most important concept is a fertile window. Many people believe pregnancy can happen any day of the cycle. That's not accurate. The fertile window includes the 5 days before ovulation and the day of ovulation itself. Why? Because sperm can survive in the female reproductive tract for up to 5 days, and the egg survives only about 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. So, if intercourse occurs in the days leading up to ovulation, sperm may already be present when the egg is released. Signs that ovulation may be approaching includes changes in cervical mucus, slight rise in basal body temperature after ovulation, positive results from ovulator predictor kits. Understanding this timing significantly increases the chances of conception, but timing alone isn't everything. Several biological and lifestyle factors also influence fertility. Key factors affecting fertility: age. Age is one of the strongest predictors of fertility, especially for women. Women are born with all the eggs they will ever have. Over time, the egg quantity decreases and the egg quality declines. Fertility gradually declines after age 30 and more significantly after 35. By the early 40s, natural conception becomes much more difficult. Male fertility also declines with age, though typically more gradually. Changes include reduced sperm quality, increased DNA fragmentation in sperm. Number two, hormonal balance. Hormones regulate ovulation. Conditions like PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, thyroid disorders, hyperprolactinemia can also interfere with ovulation. Number three, body weight. Both underweight and overweight status can disrupt the reproductive hormones. Excess body fat may increase estrogen levels and disrupt ovulation, and underweight individuals may experience irregular or absent cycles. Maintaining a healthy BMI and metabolic health supports hormonal balance. Number four, lifestyle habits. Lifestyle factors that affect fertility includes smoking, alcohol intake, poor sleep, chronic stress, and sedentary lifestyle. These factors can affect both egg and sperm health. Nutrition and lifestyle for fertility. This is an area where evidence continues to grow. While no diet guarantees pregnancy, certain nutritional patterns are associated with better reproductive health. Balanced dietary pattern. A fertility supportive diet generally includes fruits and vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, lean protein sources. This type of dietary pattern supports hormonal balance and metabolic health. Key nutrients. There are some nutrients which are particularly important before conception. Number one, folate, essential for early fetal development and prevention of neural tube defects. Most women planning pregnancy are advised to take folic acid supplementation. Iron. Iron deficiency can impair ovulation in some cases. Omega 3 fatty acids may support hormonal balance and reduce inflammation. Vitamin D. Low vitamin D levels has been associated with some fertility challenges. Lifestyle habits. Moderate exercise is beneficial, but extreme exercise without adequate nutrition may disrupt cycles. Caffeine intake is generally recommended to remain below 200 mg per day during pregnancy planning, and smoking cessation is strongly recommended because smoking accelerates egg loss and reproductive aging. Common causes of infertility. If pregnancy does not occur after consistent efforts, several factors may be important. Female factors. Common female causes include ovulation disorder, seen in conditions like PCOS, blocked fallopian tubes, often caused by infections, pelvic inflammatory disease, or previous surgeries. Endometriosis, a condition where tissue similar to the uterine lining grows outside the uterus, potentially affecting fertility. Uterine abnormalities, fibroids, or structural changes can sometimes interfere with implantation. Male factors. The male fertility issues may include low sperm count, poor sperm motility, abnormal sperm shape, sperm health can be influenced by smoking, alcohol, heat exposure, certain medications, and obesity. Unexplained fertility. In some cases, tests show normal results, yet pregnancy still does not occur. This is called unexplained infertility, and it accounts for a significant percentage of cases. When should you seek medical help? Many couples wonder, when should we see a doctor? General medical guidelines suggest evaluation. If you have tried for 12 months without success under age 35, or tried 6 months if the woman is age 35 or older. However, earlier evaluation may be recommended if there are known factors such as irregular periods, history of pelvic infections, known reproductive disorders, or previous miscarriages. Early evaluation can help identify the problems sooner. Fertility test and diagnosis. Doctors use several tests to evaluate fertility for women: ovulation testing, blood test, measuring hormones like progesterone, ultrasound imaging to evaluate ovaries and uterine structures. Hysterosalpingography, a specialized imaging test that checks whether the fallopian tubes are open. For men, the primary test is semen analysis, which evaluates the sperm count, motility, shape. This test is simple but provides valuable information. Let me explain the fertility treatments. If natural conception is difficult, several treatment options exist. Ovulation induction. Medications may stimulate ovulation in women who do not ovulate regularly. Intrauterine insemination (IUI). In this procedure, sperm are placed directly into the uterus during ovulation. This increases the chances that sperm reaches the egg. In vitro fertilization (IVF). IVF involves several steps. Eggs are retrieved from the ovaries, fertilized with sperm in a laboratory. The resulting embryos are transferred into the uterus. IVF is often recommended for conditions like blocked fallopian tubes, severe male factor infertility, and certain unexplained infertility cases. Success rates vary depending on age and underlying conditions. Emotional and psychological aspects. Family challenges are not only medical, they can be emotionally intense. Couples may experience stress, anxiety, feeling of isolation, relationship strain, seeking support from counselors, support groups, fertility specialists can be extremely helpful during this journey. And remember, fertility challenges are common and treatable in many cases. Fertility myths versus facts. Let's quickly address some common myths. Myth number one: pregnancy should happen immediately. The fact is, even healthy couples may take several months. Myth number two: infertility is mostly a female problem. The fact is, male factors contribute to about half of infertility cases. Myth number three: stress alone causes infertility. The fact is, stress may affect hormones but is rarely the sole cause. Myth number four: the lifestyle changes alone cure infertility. The fact is, healthy lifestyle helps, but medical evaluation may still be needed. So, here are some practical tips for couples trying to conceive. If you are planning pregnancy, here are some evidence based steps. Number one, track your fertile window. Number two, maintain a healthy, balanced diet and healthy weight. Number three, begin prenatal vitamins with folic acid. Number four, avoid smoking and alcohol. Number five, exercise regularly but moderately. Number six, get adequate sleep and manage your stress. Number seven, seek medical advice if conception takes longer than expected. Small lifestyle changes can support overall reproductive health. Let's recap the most important points from this video. Number one, fertility depends on the timing, hormones, and reproductive health. Second, the fertile window is only about 6 days each cycle. Number three, age significantly influences the egg quality and the fertility potential. Number four, nutrition, weight, and lifestyle habits support reproductive health. Number 5, both male and female factors contribute to infertility. And number 6, medical evaluation and treatments can help many couples conceive. And lastly, emotional support is an important part of the fertility journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing for more evidence based nutrition and health content, and sharing this with someone who may benefit from understanding fertility better. And I would love to hear from you. What fertility questions would you like explained in future videos? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.